Hello and welcome to my channel That English Tutor. In today's video, we'll discuss some of the most common grammar mistakes people make when speaking English. We will learn how to identify these mistakes and also to correct them. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from this channel. Today's lesson will include identification and correction of the 5 most commonly made English grammar mistakes. There'll also be a short test towards the end of the video to help you gauge how well you've grasped today's lesson. So make sure to watch the video right until the end. There are 5 sentences displayed on your screen. There is something wrong with every single one of them. Let's read each sentence carefully and identify the mistake in it. One of my friends is getting married soon. I am having a big car. I suggested her to buy a new dress. He will return back to India soon. I am looking forward to go back home. Were you able to identify the mistakes, or did you find nothing wrong with these sentences? Let me tell you something. All of these sentences are wrong, and in today's lesson, we'll go through each sentence and learn how to correct it. So, are you excited to begin today's lesson? Then make sure to hit the like button. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first sentence on the list was, one of my friends is getting married soon. What is wrong with this sentence? Can you identify the mistake here? It should be one of my friends is getting married soon, not one of my friend. We always say one of my friends, one of the students, one of our colleagues, and so on. Now let me explain to you the reason behind this. When we use the phrase one of, it indicates that we are referring to one out of many. Hence we say one of my friends and not one of my friend. Always remember that whenever we use the phrase one of, the noun that follows should be in its plural form. Hence we say one of my friends, one of the girls, one of our teachers, etc. The same rule applies to any of, some of, most of, etc. Therefore, we say any of the options, some of the actors, most of the boys, and so on. The next sentence was, I am having a big car. Can you identify the mistake with this one? The right way to say this is, I have a big car. Now, why is I am having a big car incorrect? It's because have is always used in the simple present tense when its meaning is to own. Hence we say, I have a big car. They have a beautiful garden. I have a pair of blue earrings, and so on. When we say I'm having something, it usually implies that we are eating something. For example, we often say I'm having a sandwich or I'm having an apple, but we never say I'm having a car. Let's go on to the third sentence. This one is quite common. I hear a lot of people making this mistake. I suggested her to buy a new dress. What's wrong with this sentence? Can you spot the error? The correct way to say this is, I suggested that she buy a new dress. Suggest is a tricky verb. We cannot say I suggested her. Always remember that whenever we suggest an action to someone, we use a that clause along with suggest. Hence, the correct version of the sentence is, I suggested that she buy a new dress. I suggested that she buy a new dress. Here's the fourth sentence. He will return back to India soon. Can you identify the mistake with this one? It's not proper to say return back. Instead, we should say he will return to India soon. Return in itself means to go back. Hence, using the phrase return back is redundant and therefore unnecessary. We should just say he will return to India soon. Return back, repeat again, raise up, etc. are redundant phrases and it's best to avoid them. The fifth sentence was, I am looking forward to go back home. Is this sentence correct? No, it's not. Can you identify what's wrong with it? It should be, I am looking forward to going back home. Always remember that the verb that follows the preposition to should be in the ing form. Hence, looking forward to go back home is incorrect. It should be looking forward to going back home. I am looking forward to going back home. Similar examples would include, I am looking forward to seeing you, I am looking forward to hearing from you, and so on. Now it's time for the test. Quickly grab a pen and paper and get ready for your assignment. You will see 5 incorrect sentences displayed on your screen. I want you to pause the video and write down the correct version of each sentence in your notebook. Once you've finished with the test, hit the play button and check your answers. So here you go. I hope you've completed your assignment. Let's see what the correct answers are. The first sentence should be, one of my cousins is a doctor. The next one should be, they have 2 daughters. Did you get the third one right? It should be, my friend suggested that I buy the red shoes. The fourth sentence should be, she will return my book tomorrow. And what about the fifth one? Did you get it right? It should be, he was looking forward to spending time with his family. So how did you perform on the test? Could you identify all of the mistakes? Do let me know your score in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you'd like me to continue bringing you more videos to help improve your English, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I publish a new video. Do give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions about today's lesson or if you'd like to suggest a topic for the next video, do let me know in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Twitter. You'll find my Twitter handle in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.